Hey guys, so the Skillshare class is out, and if you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. The class features 8 lessons which will teach you the fundamentals of no limit Texas Hold'em, and the class project is pure poker practice. You play a certain amount of hands after every lesson and post your results. The purpose of this class is to take a total beginner, somebody who's never played poker before, or somebody who's only played it a couple of times, and transform them into a decent player through the fundamentals of poker strategy mixed with 20 hours of practice. By a decent player, I mean somebody who understands the fundamentals fairly well and can easily beat the micro stakes online as well as home games where there are recreational players. Does that sound like something you'd be interested in? Do you want to check it out? Awesome! Please make sure to hit me back with feedback whenever something comes to your mind, because I'm really interested in your opinion and I want to make this class the best class on Hold'em on Skillshare. And lastly, I've decided I'm going to host a raffle for the first 10 people who finish the class, who complete the class project, and who post their results. I will give away $50 of my own money to one lucky winner out of those first 10 people. So hurry up and good luck to everyone. Also, if you want to check out Skillshare, please make sure to use my link when signing up, because then you will get your first 2 months of premium for free. So if you want to try Skillshare out, this is really the perfect opportunity, because you can just cancel after the first 3 months and you won't have to pay anything. And Skillshare is really an amazing platform for learning new skills. You will find high quality classes on almost anything, and once you have a premium account, you can take as many of them as you want. Name a skill and you'll probably find 5 different classes on Skillshare where you can learn it. Let me know in the comments how you like Skillshare, what classes you're taking, and how you're enjoying them. Also, don't forget to take my class, and please remember there's $50 up for grabs. Good luck, guys!